Down here so it's like couple central, you know. First date central. Actually, nah show no face though, no face, no case. Cause we don't know who I give bun down here. So I'm trying to find things that I've never had before or things that are healthy for me to snack on. And I have the pastry right next to the vegetables.
Good God have mercy, hey. Good God have grace, hey.
Hey y'all, it's been a minute. I'm sorry. I'm taking y'all shopping with me today. Well, welcome back to Live for the Experience. Let me fix my mask. I'm going on the people in place. But welcome back to Live for the Experience, and I'm taking y'all shopping with me today. The first stop is Pricemart. It is the longest line of trolleys I've ever seen. Bro, the fuck they can just control them. Huh? Bro. Anyway, y'all, I just came to the door. The lady at the door was like, let me see all membership cards. Today is not the day to walk around in here like window shopping. You better come if you're a member. If not, then sign up. I'm here today, y'all, because I need to get some healthy food. I feel like I have something big coming up the next 2 weeks. If you know me, then you know. Ooh, I've never seen this many clothes in Pricemart before. But anyway, I just get my Pricemart card. Here, me to talk about. I never see so much clothes in a Pricemart before, as if I have a membership card from long time. But I just get it like a month ago. I feel like the video are all over the place. I just got it like a month ago, and yeah, it's my first official time shopping here. I'm gonna look for some of them clothes here. Like, this is a lot of things to look through. $3,000 fee leggings. Look like good quality leggings though, like very thick. Anyway, I never come here to buy clothes. I got the food section. In here, very, very packed. In here, packed bad. Like, today is the, oh yeah, I'm on 10. Like, I can't even go through this. Alright, y'all, so I made it to the snack section. And so I'm trying to find things that I've never had before or things that are healthy for me to snack on. Because normally I would eat like cinnamon rolls and buns and donuts and those things that are like heavy in flour. And I want to cut that out because I've been gaining pounds, y'all. I've been gaining pounds for the past few months, and I don't want that. Not in my adult life. I'm about to be 20 late. Not 20 late, but 20 middle-ish, late-ish. And I don't want to be getting like that big in my latter years of my 20s. Granola bars. It's always a good choice, but I don't know. But I go feel like I go buy the one here, the peanut one. A box of the peanut one. To get started, this is 36 bars. If you're supposed to choose between pistachios and almonds, what would you choose? Pistachios? Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna get a bag of pistachios. Them salty. Let me see. Roasted and salted. So I get some pistachios. So far we have the granola bars and some pistachios from a healthy journey. I have some mixed nuts over here, so but I already have pistachios. I'm gonna take more and no more nuts. I have peanuts and pistachios, like cashew. I'm gonna take more no cashew. Cashew come like something I'm gonna eat off in 2 days because it tastes good. Those are my babies. My sweet babies. I think they have no yogurt with dairy with milk free. some, just get some yogurt. The only thing I have are the yogurt, the crackers, almond, and the granola bars. And this is pretty much probably $10,000. May I look fun right now. Oh, the green stuff. I want some parsley. But I don't want so much parsley. Like, number get too big. I don't want this much parsley. I'll get it then. You see, like when I Barbados, I get my scallion on time with the parsley, but in Jamaica, you get the scallion on time only. You don't get the parsley with it. You know? The donuts, guys. They look so good. All this pastry, and I'm trying to eat healthy. Like, do I need to? And I have the pastry right next to the vegetables. Right next to the bakery, right next to the produce. You have the bakery. And the fruits. But I got me some parsley. Right now, look man, Ailey. Anyway, we are on our way to Downtown Kingston. We're going to the Waterfront. So the people on the road, they are so aggressive. Anyway, going to the Waterfront just to chill for a little 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute type of vibe, and you know, well, and then I'm gonna go home to Clarendon. So yeah, I'm gonna take you out with me. Pricemart was so packed. My bill came up to, I think it was 9,000 something for 5 something, yo. But them so a pack of things, so understandable. But anyway, I'll see you when I get there. Oh, the camera is shaking, so this footage might look shaky. But yeah, let's go. Welcome to the Waterfront. Down here, so feels so good. But we're on the waterfront. Y'all ain't seen the water yet because it's dirty. It's dirty. The water dirty. I don't even know if an apartment building there behind me. But digital, which one did you sell there? Digital head office is right there. And this is the waterfront, the infamous waterfront, downtown Kingston. Down here so it's like couple central, you know. First date central. Actually, nah, show no face though, no face, no case. Cause we don't know who I give born down here still. But anyway, a little family outing evening. You know them little vibes there? Yeah, them people come down here so for them little thing. So the next couple there, the cap couple. You know what I mean? So yeah, y'all, this is the waterfront. The airport is literally right there. One plane just take off, but I can't see it right there. So like the black that one I see, you disappear. I have a few restaurants on this side and like over there, so you have like some, I don't know if apartments them here or what, but them I building here down on the waterfront, them like skyscraper, like mini skyscrapers. You can't believe that people can actually walk right here, so let me a point right here, so and go around and go right there, so go commit suicide. Like why right here so open? Like me can't really walk go down to the waterfront right here, so and put my foot here. Although it wasn't nothing, we would have put my foot in there, but that too risky, especially for kids. Like, we feel like so that not so open. Yeah, if you never hear about Edna Manley yet, this is Edna Manley statue nigger aroused. So we can catch you from the next angle for now. And basically I look up to the sky. Looking up to the sun. Oh, look at my dream car just sitting on the side of the road. Ocean saving. Out of many. Let me roll a bad door. But get a little cool breeze. And we're gonna head home now. Watch them to the end of the tree. Down there so. Yeah man, people down here have them little intimate little sessions. And ting. So yeah, I go touch the road again. I'm gonna close out the video right here so too. I mean I know I'm recorded so far, but I come. I hope I record something worthwhile, worth your watching. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, thank you for living for the experience with me today. And as usual, if you haven't pressed the subscribe button as yet, if you haven't clicked the subscribe button as yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.